ASAP Appliance, Plumbing and Drain Cleaning, is a local full-service appliance company located in the heart of Omaha. We offer a variety of appliance services for the Omaha area, including appliance repair, services for water softeners, RO systems, water heaters, and many more. We also help you with drain cleaning and plumbing. Here are some of the comments that our customers have made. Morgan Horst says, "Did a great job finding the source of a leak and fixing the problem. Very professional and cleaned up well after the job was done." Brad O'Brien says, "I called at 8 a.m. and got an appointment for 5 p.m. that evening, but Chris called me at 12:15 p.m. to ask if he could come early. Chris diagnosed the underlying problem and unclogged my kitchen sink. He was professional, courteous and friendly. I'll be using ASAP again. We're fast, friendly and knowledgeable. Call us to schedule a service appointment today."